Hi, my dear friends. I'm Coco, a customer service. Thank you for choosing the leading brand of laser machine, Seeker Laser. Seeker Laser, flashing technology. In order to bring you a better using experience, now I will introduce you how to install and use the mini laser machine. Firstly, let's check accessories. We have 4 parts: power cable, USB signal cable, flash disk. Okay, let's start to install the machine. First of all, we have to connect the USB signal cable to computer and machine respectively. Then, we can connect the power cable to socket and power connector of machine. After connecting, the machine can be switched on. Turn on the computer, emergency stop, and a power switch of machine. Let's begin to install software. 1. Decompressing the compressed files. In flash disk to D-disk. 2. Right-click on the computer, Manage. 3. Click the Device Manager. 4. Right-click on the Select Scan Detection Hardware Changes. Right-click USB LMCV2, then select Update Driver Software. 5. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Browse. Open the decompressed file drive. Support 64-bit Win7 system or support WinXP and Win7 32-bit system. OK. Click Next. Install. 6. Opening the software stored in D-disk. Finding software icon and sending its shortcut to desktop. Coco will introduce each function button to you. 1. Light. Press the button. Light on. Press again. Light off. 2. Up. If just press up, the motor rises slowly. We'll keep pressing up. Then sighting. Motor rise fast. 3. Down. If just press down, the motor down slowly. We'll keep pressing down. Then setting. Motor rise fast. 4. Focus. 1. Autofocus. Press the focus. Red light appear. Make the red light on the surface of workpiece. Press focus again. Machine will have a short beep. And then find the focus automatically. If machine beep 3 times, it means success. Will the long beep lost to 1 second? It means failure. 2. Ding ding ding. Kindly tips. 1. In focusing, if press any button on the panel, machine will make a loud beep and terminate execution. 2. In focusing, all light that affect focusing precision will be temporarily turned off automatically. Afterward, all light will be open, such as light, etc. 5. Red. Click on the red to turn on double red focusing indicator. Click again to close. 6. Stop. If an accident happens at work, press the button can make machine stop working. Turn the button clockwise can release. Everything is ready. Let's start to test the sample. First, remove the lens cap. Second, turn on light. Firstly, click on the focus. Put the object in right light position. Then click on the focus to find focus distance. Third, import the pattern. Put object into the working area. Find the position by red preview. Then begin to test. Hey, they are unique design. 1. Marking range. The working area is 180 multiply 180 millimeters. Height of object within 200 millimeters. 2. Removable door design. Door can be removed according to demand for expanding using. Open the front two doors. Put down the spring bolt. Then doors can be removed. Just raise the double side door. Then they can be removed. 3. Extended function. This device can adapt to mass production. Can connect with rotary, disc rotation, linear table, and so on. Accessories. Expanded axis such as rotary, disc rotation, linear table, etc. Drive box, signal cable, power cable. 1. Firstly, connect the 5-pin plug of expanded axis to driver box. Tighten the screw after inserting cable. 2. Signal cable. Connect the mini machine and the drive box respectively. Insert after fastening screws. 3. Power cable connected to driver box. Turn it on. Open the software. Now it's OK. That's all for the mini machine. Finally, let's us enjoy the 5 samples that made by it.